Because when I looked, it was stopped.
Yeah, you're gonna go up Lookout, or up Laurel, make a left on Lookout, and clear right. And just gonna go up Lookout all the way.
Make sure our car's still there.
Yes. The tire looks good though.
Oh, they should probably got somebody to fix it.
Yeah. Whoa! Oh! I'm trying to feel it.
Put your hand down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Hey, you got cover? You good? You put it out? All right.
You good?
Yep.
Hey, let me see your hand.
Hey, roll to your stomach. Roll to your stomach. Get out to your stomach. I want to give you aid.
Hey, put your hand down! Put your hands down! Put it down! Put it down! Nothing needs help. Shots fired. Shots hit his back.
Hey, put your arms out to your side, bud.
Here. I'm gonna step back.
Grab my med kit from 50.
Roger, BCC handling.
It's in my helmet bag, half circular bag. We need a track, yeah.
If I can get a unit on Sunset just west of Fairfax, no traffic stop there. CCTV requesting all units responding to the .com respond westbound Sunset. Westbound Sunset only, hold all eastbound traffic. Are in route.
You guys good?
Stop 016, if you can just stop traffic for us. Stop the westbound traffic, we got them driving to our seat. And I need a unit to respond northbound, let's see here, Seaward. Northbound Seaward towards Sunset so we can stop
At a certain point, we're going to need to roll up because he's still breathing. We need to render aid, yeah, once that happens.
Sunset, make that next left-hand turn, partner. I need you to go around the block, northbound Seaward, stop eastbound traffic, shop 004, thank you.
Grab that, bring it with us.
Hey, partner, I'm going to get this traffic control for you.
Hook him up over.
Yep. And we'll start rendering aid.
Control.
Where is it? Does he have a gun? Alright. No gun, any weapon?
No, he hasn't. Watch the crossfire shot 001. Watch the crossfire shot. Basic westbound.
And we're gonna secure him, right?
Alright.
Alright, who's gonna be point?
I'll be point. Who's gonna secure?
I'll hook him up.
We need two to roll him over. I'll hold. Deadly. We need two to roll him over, or at least get the hands out. All right. Yep. Are we ready? Yep.
So me and Sean will roll him over. I'll get the left and get the right.
All right.
White coming northbound Fairfax.
Ready?
Hold your roll there facing westbound.
Okay.
So that intersection is under control.
Okay, sir. I can hold directionally, so it's not to them. Because we need to render aid. You good? All right. On you.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Hey, come on this side. Come on this side. I'm gonna hold this way just for crossfire. Go ahead. Grab the arm.
Sunset towards Orange Grove. I need you to stop at that intersection.
There we go.
All westbound traffic. They're driving right to our seat. Perfect. Thank you.
Hey, bring that. Okay, you got my med kit. Once we get hooks on, put a double set of hook on. Yep, double set of hooks. We need another one. We're good. Slow it down. All good. As soon as we get that done, let's flip them over. Open my med kit up. Get my shears out.
Yeah, come on. Go get the med kit.
All right, let's do a cursory search real quick.
Northbound Orange Grove.
Cursory. Let's pat him down real quick. Okay. You want med kit?
Okay.
All right. Here. I need another set of shears. Does someone have their med kit, their IFAC or OFAC?
Yeah.
Go grab it real quick. Excuse me.